Step number 9, plan for expansion and diversification. You've got to keep it simple. Remember, the riches are in the niches. Don't offer loads of different services as a small business. The biggest mistake all tradespeople make is they set up a company and they say domestic, commercial, industrial, service, breakdown, repair, new build, installation. You can't possibly do all of these things. You are a small business. You can't diversify that much. But the only reason businesses diversify like that is because they don't have a quantifiable, forecastable, measurable, proven marketing method that guarantees them sales. So they have to diversify their offering because they believe that that is what's going to get them more opportunities. And it will. But it will spread you way too thin. So you need to build a strategy that's going to get you to $500,000 on one product and service. Then once you've got to $500,000, we will introduce product number 2. Then once we've got to $1 million, we'll introduce product number 3. And that gives you a rough guide of when you should be bringing out your next product. Coca-Cola didn't launch Diet Coke for 45 years after starting. They had such a job on their hands to get people bought into just Coca-Cola, you wouldn't believe it now, that they didn't diversify their message for 45 years. So how are you starting up and diversifying your message across 12 sectors with 12 different services from day one? You're causing yourself the distress and you're spreading yourself way too thin. So I don't want you to grow horizontally, I want you to grow vertically. And then when you've got to a big number, then we can expand out the products and services. I've got 12 to 15 streams of income. So I advocate for multiple streams of income, but what I don't advocate for is multiple streams of income into your business from day one.